All right, guys. So let's continue, and we already finished the like a whack and mouse sort of thing, and it's working pretty smoothly. Even got like a transition animation. I just got like few frame flickering and yeah, just change. And but this is not a game because we sort of need to add a menu, so we can like start a game and then game over. Okay, so let's add that functionality. And in order to do that, I believe we need to add some states so we can actually change. Where's my mouse? Oh my gosh, where's my mouse? Okay, so we need to like change the states. So what I'm going to do to go to the board. Okay, the board will like record the state. I'm going to write a enum. Okay, so maybe here. So I have to like make the decision of whether it's a the game intro state or game playing state and the game over state, something like that. So enum, and I believe that I can use Copilot to help me to do this. So I'm going to show link finder, right click, and I'm going to use Visual Studio Code just to like quicken things up a little bit. Yeah, don't need to, but we need to like trust that. Okay, and can automatically got this Copilot live. We can got enum, and there will be the things state. Rather thing state. I'm going to change it to the whole game state. Okay, the whole game state will be the game playing and game over, and instead of just it's an enum, so we can add more case of game start, or game intro, or game like a game play. Let me add game. So game. Maybe game start, maybe game start and game playing and the game over. Yeah, so just 3 state. But basically game start will just give you like a splash screen and then maybe some menu that I can choose. So start a game, some like introduction of this game, and exit, something like that. Okay, once you've done that, we can continue. When when I believe when the default start will just go to start state, and then you click a certain button because it's the game playing, and maybe you miss a certain mouse that you haven't hit, and then you like go to the game over. Okay, so that's it. That's the idea. And let's add a maybe add a game state. Would be yeah. Let's add a game state with the game state dot game start. So it will be like a default go to start, and I'm going to add a var of score. Yeah, we can have a score. We can have also time remaining. Yeah, so have a certain time frame. You're going to yeah, hit as much as possible, or you can go on forever. Yeah, maybe let me just time remaining. So it will not be that 60 seconds is too long. Maybe just 1, 2, 3 3 seconds, 1 seconds. For test purpose, I'm going to do 1.0, so just 1 seconds, so we can got like a iterate and I can test it pretty quickly. So right now, I'm going to adding a task that can try wait for a specific seconds, and I'm going to pass in the time remaining to that 6 seconds, So once it's finished waiting, I'm going to like change the state of game. So, for example, you wait for 1 second and you haven't whacked that, you can finish the game. And of course, I might add a like a more lenient system, so you can miss say 10, miss 10, and then it will add maybe a score, a counter. Maybe I'm going to add something like this var this miss count. Okay, it will be like a int of 0. Okay, and then you can like adjust that to like a miss top. Okay, top count, and say 10, and once the miss counts like reach the miss top count, you will be able to return to the start screen, or maybe go to the game over screen, and then maybe like adding an in-game purchase system. So nobody's going to play this game like 99% of the time, but I just want to like demonstrate that it can be done. Okay, it can be done. So once you like subscribe to like a WhackAnything, that you can continue like a pro version, that you can like in-game purchase like a top to just adjust the miss top count to 1000, something like that, and then you can like continue to play this game. But it's a silly mechanism. I will do that maybe if I get time later. Right now, let's just quickly finish this. So when you actually go to the next stage, you're going to like reset the board, and then you like initialize all that and get this everything to out. Okay, and so yeah, initialize that, and then we're going to say not time remaining, but rather the I remember it's the yeah, we have to add in a task. Okay, I'm going to say the like game over task. Okay, void and never. Let me just leave it error. Okay, so you can like catch the error. So game over task. Let me put it here. And first, let's cancel that. Dot first. I'm going to first cancel it, and then I'm going to set a task. Wait task for sleep. Yeah, maybe this should be error. So deprecated task sleep nanoseconds. Okay, can I do something like this? So I'm going to try wait task sleep nanoseconds. Okay, and instead of using the nanoseconds, I can just sleep for a specific seconds. So seconds, and pass into seconds. I'm going to get the time remaining. Pass it, so we sleep for that 1 second, and then you try that, and then you change the state, because you have already like wait for long enough. So again, to game state will be the game over, because you waited for that and you haven't like hit it, so it's game over for you. So I'm going to let me release some of the settings. So miss count. Let me just release it for now. I won't use it. So top miss, say 3 strike. Okay, and you're out. So top count will be like 3, and miss count will start at 0. So 0, and then 1, and then 2, and then 3. Okay, and time remaining will just be 1. Yep, and nothing wrong with that, like fact. So you got the things out. Yeah, wait for that 1 second, and then it's game over. You can tap it, and you can like make it out. Okay, so we go to the next stage. Got a specific thing out. Yeah, and of course, once it's game over, you're going to like function restart game. Restart game. Okay, restart game. You're going to like set score to 0, base count to 0. Time running means still 1. I don't need to like it. I don't need to change that. So the game state will be the game play, yeah, and then you go to the next stage, yeah. And you know what? You can make it even better. You can even make that even better by you know, just wait for maybe just 1 or 2 seconds. So I can add a task just to wrap inside the task to wait and sleep for a few seconds and then go to the next stage. Okay, just to wrap everything inside here and close this task. I think that should do. And wait, you need to try that. Try wait. Yeah, that will do. That will do. Okay. Yeah. So basically, if you like finish this game, we're going to like restart it. Yeah. Try await a task. Yeah. I should have like a finisher here. So try await a task, and then you know, you save it. Just go back here. So that should solve it. And then the reason for me to go back here is that I need to like command N to make new things. Okay, so you better like choose something and then command N, so you can like add a new file at the like directory, correct directory. So what I'm going to do is to adding one view called like game star view. So game start start, yeah, game star view, and also add another for game over view. So game over view dot swift. Okay, so a game start mainly I want to show you guys a some sort of like a let me just save it so I can like easy go back here. So right click showing finder and right click do Visual Studio Code. Okay, so yeah, I heard news. This is like it's not like news. It's like kind of a rumor saying that Apple will add some of the like artificial intelligence to the Xcode. Okay, and preferably it will be something like Copilot. Okay, and but if they are like charging it, I will not going to pay for it. Okay, I already pay like $99 a year for developing that account. I'm not going to pay that for a Copilot because I also pay Copilot. It's just too much for development. So I'm going to add in an environment. Environment, okay, and I'm going to pass in the I believe it's the like the board. Okay, so I'm going to pass the in my board cell. Okay, let me just copy it. It's much quicker, so it can save me a little bit time. Cell board, and then will be served as board. Then will be enter into the body part, and we got view, stack, text, all that we don't need it. Let me just start from scratch. So text will be game start. Let me just add a title to it. So I'm going to just say WhackAnything. Okay, WhackAnything. Okay, by wait, maybe that's too long. Maybe add another. So let's just add a font to a fairly not body. Okay, I put some sort of like title. Okay, something like that, and then I'm going to add a little text. Say something like the yeah by William J. Okay, and this time the font will be smaller. Will be the body and then adding button of start, and adding another button for I don't know, maybe, yeah, we can add quit. So the game over. Maybe not quit. Be some like the tutorial. There will be I don't know, maybe some navigation to the tutorial. Okay. And then it would be something like the like maybe some leaderboard settings. Yeah, we can get settings. And you get the about. Okay, this is some developer information, and maybe add some of the like a leaderboard. Okay, leaderboard. So we can show like the highest rank in game, something like that. Okay, so hopefully that will reflect at the where is it? Game start view here. And I should have saved it. Should have show it here. So yeah. Okay. So yeah, we will add function like later. Right now, I just want like a quick placeholder. And I believe what is even better is that this is like a run. We can't just we haven't started. We can like go to the next stage. So I'm going to board, and I'm going to just call the game over task, restart game. Restart game. Did I name it restart game? Let's go back to board. Yeah, restart game. Okay, I'm gonna just call that. So reset score to 0, miss count to 0, game stay. Switch out to playing, so you can actually play and start counting. Okay, just try go to the next stage. Yeah, basically we just leave a game overview, and we have to like make a certain mechanism to change from to different view. So it's pretty late. I'm going to take a little bit of rest. I feel a little bit uncomfortable right now, so I feel a little bit unwell. So I will like rest a little bit, and I will continue to record this tomorrow. Okay. Sorry about that, guys. Bye.